Good morning, children. I am going to take science for you. So, this is revision. Okay, children. This is revision. So, I think you have completed your classwork. So, if you have completed your classwork, so please open your classwork and if you have completed your classwork, please open your classwork and take lesson number 2. So the lesson name is green gold. Okay, children, lesson name is green gold. So I am doing revision now. So first main hard words. First one living, LIVING, living. Second one organisms, ORGANISMS, organisms. Third one creepers, CREEPERS, creepers. Fourth one flowers, FLOWERS, flowers. Fifth one underground, UNDERGROUND, underground. Sixth one preparing, PREPARING, preparing. Seventh one factory, FACTORY, factory. Eighth one mature, MATURE, mature. Ninth one nutrition, NUTRITION, nutrition. Tenth one germination, GERMINATION, germination. 11th one minerals, MINERALS, minerals. 12th one survival, SURVIVAL, survival. 31 dispersed, DISPERSED, dispersed. 14th one produce, PRODUCE, produce. 15th one branching, BRANCHING, branching. So these are the hard words. Once again I am going to read. First one living, second one the organisms, third one creepers, fourth one flowers, fifth one the underground, sixth one preparing, seventh one factory, eighth one mature, ninth one nutrition, 10th one germination, 11th one minerals, 12th one survival, 13th one dispersed, 14th one produce, 15th one branching. Now second main, fill in the blanks. First one, the dash is a storehouse of food for the plant. So in the dash must write leaf, LEAF, leaf. Second one, dash or the part of the plant that is responsible for making the food. So in the dash must write flowers, FLOWERS, flowers. Next third one, the epidermis also secretes a waxy substance called the dash. So in the dash you must write cuticle, CUTICLE, cuticle. Next fourth one, stem holds the plant dash. So in the dash you must write upwards, UPWARDS, upwards. Next fifth one, watermelon, cucumber and pumpkin are called dash. So in the dash you must write creepers, CREEPERS, creepers. Sixth one, lotus and water lily are called dash plants. So in the dash you must write WATER, water. Okay, children, so these are the fill in the blanks. Next main, write yes or no. First one, the scientific study of plants is known as botany. So that is correct. So in the bracket you write YES. Second one, tap roots spread in the soil, each tip covered with root hairs. So in the bracket you must write no. Third one, gases enters and exit the leaf through the stomata. So that is correct. So in the bracket you write YES. Fourth one, the process of a baby plant beginning to grow is called germination. So that is also correct. So in the bracket you write YES. Fifth one, beans, money plant, grape and pea plants are called thorny plants. So that is wrong. So it is not called a thorny plant. So cactus is called thorny plant. So this is wrong here. So in the bracket you write no. Next main, fourth main, give two examples that vegetables come from. So first one, roots. So what vegetables will come from the roots? So the two vegetables are carrot, turnip, CARROT, carrot, TURNIP, turnip. Second one, stems. So onion, ginger, ONION, onion, GINGER, ginger. Next, shrubs. So shrubs, for example, cauliflower, CAULIFLOWER, cauliflower. Next, herbs. So for herbs, two vegetables are tulsi, spinach. TULSI, spinach. TULSI, tulsi. SPINACH, spinach. So these are the two vegetables that comes from. Next, fifth main, answer the following. First one, what are the two main parts of the plant? Answer, roots and stem. ROOTS, roots, and STEM, stems. TWO2, MAIN, main. PARTS, parts. PLANT, plant. Second one, how does root help a plant? The roots of a plant grow in the ground and are responsible for providing both water and minerals to the plant. They expand in the ground to increase the surface area for water absorption. The ROOTS, roots. Of a PLANT, plant. GROW, grow. IN, GROU, and ground. And RESPONSIBLE, responsible. PROVIDING, providing. BOTH, both. WATE, water. AND, MINE or ERALS, minerals. TO2, PLANT, plant. THEY, EXPAND, expand. IN, GROU, and ground. TO2, INCREASE, increase. SURFACE, surface. AREA, area. FR, for. WATE, or water. ABSORPTION, absorption. THEY, ALSO, also. ANCHO, or anchor. PLANT, plant. INT, into. GROU, and ground. FR, for. STABILITY, stability. Next, third one, name the parts of the plant which prepares food. Answer, the leaf is responsible for preparing food. LEAF, leaf. RESPONSIBLE, responsible. FOR, for. PREPARING, preparing. FOOD, food. Next, fourth one, name two types of fruits. Answer, there are two main types of fruits. THERE, there. ARER, TWO2, MAIN, main. TYPES, types. OF, ROOTS, roots. THEY, they. ARER, FIBROUS, fibrous. ROOT, root. And TAP, tap. ROOT, root. So there are two means of roots. They are fibrous root and tap root. Next, fifth one, write three functions of stems. First function, stem holds the plant upright. STEM, stem. HYLDS, holds. THE, PLANT, plant. UPRIGHT, upright. B1, STEM, stem. BEARS, bears. LEAVES, leaves. BUDS, birds. FLOWERS, flowers. And FRUITS, fruits. C main, STEM, stem. CARRIS, carries. WATE, water. And MINERAL, mineral. SALTS, salts. FROM, from. THE, ROOTS, roots. TO2, ALL, all. PARTS, pots. OF, of. THE, PLANT, plant. Next, D1, D function, STEM, stem. CARRIS, carries. FOOD, food. PREPARED, prepared. BY, THE, LEAVES, leaves. TO2, DIFFERED, different. PARTS, parts. OF, of. THE, PLANT, plant. Now, sixth one, what are the types of plants? Answer, different types of plants are shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers, thorny plants, water plants. DIFFERED, different. TYPES, types. OF, of. PLANTS, plants. ARER, SHRUBS, shrubs. HERBS, herbs. CLIMBERS climbers, CREEPERS creepers, THORNY thorny, PLANTS plants, WATER water, PLANTS plants. Next, seventh one, define shrubs. Answer. Shrubs are small bushes and they have odd. SHRUBS shrubs, SMALL small, BUSHES bushes, and THEY they, HAV have, HORD hard, and THE the, STEMS stems, THEY they, HAV have, MANY many, BRANCHES branches, and THEY they, LIVE leave, FOR for, MANY many, YEARS ears, and THESE these, GROW grow, CLOSE close, TO2 THE the, GROU and ground, and ARALS also, KNOW known, ASS, BUSHES bushes, FOR for, EXAMPLE example, BOUGAINVILLEA bougainvillea, ROSE rose, COTTON cotton, JASMINE jasmine, HIBISCUS hibiscus, BANANA banana, etc. etc. Okay children, so these are the revisions of lesson number 2. So the lesson name is green gold. Okay children, any doubt children? I think you could have understood this revision. So once again I am saying that if you have already completed the classwork, please see this video and practice in a rough note. So if you have not completed the classwork, see this video and complete the classwork. Once again, if you have completed the classwork, don't write in the classwork, you practice in the rough note. Okay children, thank you.